Are you ready to unlock the power of data? RProgramming is your gateway to turning raw information into meaningful insights. Whether you are a beginner stepping into the world of analytics or a professional aiming to sharpen your skills, R offers everything you need for data manipulation, statistical analysis, and compelling visualization. As a free, open-source language supported by a vibrant global community, R has become a favorite tool for data scientists, analysts, and researchers worldwide. With the help of RStudio, an intuitive and powerful IDE, you can easily write, run, and visualize your R code. R supports a wide variety of data structures like vectors, data frames, and lists, allowing flexible and efficient handling of complex datasets. Its syntax is clean, and its capabilities are vast. What truly makes R shine is its package ecosystem. Packages like ggplot2 help you build stunning graphics. dplyr and tidyr make data manipulation and tidying feel effortless. Caret offers a smooth path into machine learning, while Shiny lets you turn your analyses into interactive web apps. So if you're ready to explore, analyze, and communicate data like never before, dive into RProgramming and transform how you see data. Your journey to data mastery begins now.